Do you like it, Joshua?
Yeah.
That's habanero salsa. Wow. It's hot for me. Grabe mga bata, oh.
Yummy.
Grabe. Be careful, don't. Be careful your finger, Miri. Don't put your finger with that spicy. Just only chips and cheese. No finger, okay? Don't touch with the finger. That's very spicy, very, very hot.
Here, Mary.
Here. Wow. Is it good? Yeah. Our 6 years old and 3 years old little boys eating Montezuma salsa habanero.
When I was 5 years old, I used to eat this.
Okay. You know, you were 4 or 3. Since little you're eating that
When I was
spicy.
little, I ate this.
I know.
Salsa habanero.
I
It's
know.
habanero. I needed to shake it.
And you just
Like water.
when it's very hot, when it's very hot, and you try that and you quiet.
Oh, you're so brave. You're eating habanero. That's very spicy. I can't even. I can't. It's hot for me.
Try it.
Sweetheart. No! Mary.
You guys try it. Try it, camera.
Mary. Okay, sige na. Enough na na.
There you go. Yeah.
Eating spicy one. Joshua, no!
I got a lot of here.
Put it down. That's cheese. Oh, wow. Be careful your finger because that's spicy. Be careful. Here, you have here. You have here. Oh. Don't wipe your...
I'm gonna get it all on the cheese. Ugh.
Okay.
That's how it is.
Habanero. Wow, they're so brave. And that's habanero.
No. I was wondering.
Stop playing, Joshua.
Oh. Nobody's there.
You got outside.
Huh? Yes, I'm done outside.
Everything locked up?
Yeah. I'm waiting now. I'm waiting to Brian to pick up the boxes. Balikpan boxes. I am.
And the stuff on the walls.
I of course. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
That is the body. That is Mom Dad.
Mary, put down your legs na ko lang. Put down this one. Okay. With habanero in it. That's our making mommy thumbnail.